So, we have Star Wars Power of the Force, Luke's T-16 Skyhopper. And let's open this up. And, okay, so we got this little manual. This thing is really old, you can tell. We have all the parts for the wings, well, I accidentally only pulled out two just now. The other wing and the cockpit, whatever you want to call it. And other parts. And whoa! Look! They even got like little stickers, little decals for your. That's pretty cool. And I don't even know. That is from 1996. That is crazy. Well, I'm Job from History and Reviews, and well, it says Power of the Force. I must have the power of the Force.